Introducing the new FoodSaver Preserve and Marinate vacuum containers. Guaranteed to lock in freshness and seal in flavor. Containers come in two modes, vacuum and marinate. To use vacuum mode, simply turn the valve to vacuum. Connect your handheld sealer or handheld accessory and press the button. Vacuum mode seals and preserves in seconds, keeping food fresh. To marinate, just turn the valve to marinate mode. Connect your built-in handheld sealer and press marinate on your appliance. Infuse bold flavor in meat, fish, or veggies. Stack and store containers neatly in the freezer, fridge, or pantry. Containers are leak-proof, stain and odor resistant, nestable and stackable, crack and shatter resistant, microwavable, and dishwasher safe. The new FoodSaver Preserve and Marinate vacuum containers locks in freshness and seals in flavor.